went to scoot up closer to the table. Me what? Sorry, Amber finished. It looks like a steering wheel. Ooh, this looks so creepy. Oh, alright. So, it says, take out...
I'm sorry, she almost lifted.
You put water on the paper towel, and now it's a damp towelette. Alright guys, now we have Tide. The solution you use to clean your clothes. It's on the screen right now. It's original, non-scented.
It smells good though.
Yeah, it's normal. I poured a lot, but...
So we're gonna stick. So we're gonna mix it with the stick.
Yeah.
I'm not pouring.
Alright. This is bonus. Welcome to the bonus part of the video.
The back. If you made this far, congratulations.
Fixing the messed up.
Oh my god, this is like...
This is much better. I didn't put a lot in here, I guess, but that's the last resort. Right now, we're just mixing anything.
So it's fine and see what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Tide. Don't add Tide to your slime.
If it has borax in it. Yeah.
Because it has borax in it, it's going. Turn out like this, it's going.
Maybe I need to dry it.
Wait, yes.
I'm drying the slime just by rubbing it on the table.
On the pad.
I mean pad. Okay, maybe it just was too much Tide and it'll come together now. I'm smart! Hey, I didn't fix that yet!
I want to help you fix it.
She wants me to embarrass her, y'all. Touch your own slime.
Oh, my slime is okay.
Well, touch it and show the fans. No!
I'm sorry.
Amber from Happy People is mean, guys.
How? How from Happy People is mean? Because she don't like sharing.
Y'all see what she just took from me? When she had her own. But I gotta share for if you get your own.
So I can help you go faster?
I don't want help.
Fine, then.
Thank you.
Y'all hear it? Still putty. If you want to stretch putty, here's a tip.
Slowly pull it.
Yeah. See, I didn't need help with that.
Say it again.
Kyla, show them yours. This is how it was before, all sticky. This is how it was before. Ooh.
Guys, I just fell. Alright, and now this is after it's fixed. It's more putty-like. This is putty.
Yeah. But you don't, if you want to fix it and you did the same mistake I does, don't add a lot of Tide, just add a little bit because you have to literally rinse it.
How much lotion did you add, Amber? It literally looks like how it looked before. Mine is really hard to pull, guys.
Oh, look how light my slime is versus hers.
Mine doesn't stick together good. Wait, you forgot the main thing.
Thumbnail.
No, the clicking. Wait, I'm trying to get y'all ASMR up in here. Alright, your turn. The mic's here, Amber.
I don't know your phone.
I'm trying to help Amber, y'all. Go, click it.
I need.
There you go, Amber. Alright, guys, that's the end of this video. Well, this is the end. This is the ending for the bloopers. So I don't really have to edit this if I don't want to. Peace out. Thanks for watching the bloopers. Bye.